Hi there, students. An orison. Okay, an orison is a prayer. So, having said my orisons, I got into bed and went to sleep. Now notice this is a very old-fashioned word. I think if you saw this word outside of a poem or outside of something very formal, I would be very surprised. Orisons, prayers. This word is actually used in Romeo and Juliet, the play by William Shakespeare. And Juliet says, I have need of many orisons. I need many prayers. Okay, so an orison, a prayer, your orisons. We said orisons for those who were in danger on that night. It would be nice to say orisons so that our team could win this weekend. So it's a posh formal word, very old-fashioned, meaning a prayer. So I made fervent orisons asking for divine guidance to bring a peaceful solution to the crisis. Okay, so it's a very literary word for a prayer, saying your prayers. You're asking the gods for something. Okay, this is an unusual word. This is one of these words that natives aren't going to know. It would be good. It's the sort of thing, if you're a word collector, you would love. So orison. Orison, the formula of words used in prayer. Yeah, a litany is where you're saying to God, please God, would you do this? Please God, allow me to everything to be all right. So it's just a prayer. So formality, I think I'm going to give it an 8.5 in formality. Use it in a poem. I think that's the place where you want to use it. And then as to origin, well, we've got a Middle English word, orison, meaning a prayer, from Latin oratio, orationem, a prayer, an oration. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. So you could say some orisons for some orisons for those in trouble. Say some orisons for those less fortunate than yourself.